So there's this book called The Courage to Be Disliked. I haven't read it, but this is like the same thing, I feel like. I want to show you why missing out can actually be a gift in disguise and how you can use that missing outness, being alone, to your advantage. But the first thing you need to do is destroy the fear of missing out. I'm sure we both experienced it already. Feels kind of weird. You feel left out, alone, isolated, whatever. But the way I like to think about it is that I'm not missing out on that, on whatever that thing is. That thing is missing out on me. Think about that. Because my life, your life, is the priority. So live it. Your life should be great too. Something you wouldn't want to miss out on. If you agree with what I just said, subscribe because there's more chill videos like this in the future, and I'm sure you'll get something out of it. There's been so many times where I feel like I've done something just so I can say that I didn't miss out on that thing, but I really would have rather done something else. Whether it was by myself or just doing something else in general. Do what you want. Don't go to something just because you'll have FOMO. The thing we shouldn't miss out on is our potential. So how can you live to your advantage? Don't miss out on these things like setting goals and working on them. This gives you a ton of purpose and meaning every day. So you have stuff to do day to day instead of being bored and not being sure what to do, feel like you're missing out on stuff. Just have fun and try things. Take risks, smile. Don't worry about being perfect because the unperfectness is exactly what we need. I'm not saying you have to be perfect at all of this stuff, but also don't try to scroll your life away. An hour saved is an hour earned. I highly recommend checking out the project I have to lower your screen time in the link in the description. It's the next step of action you can do to start making genuine change. Let me know what stood out to you in this video and hope you have a great day.